Hi guys, here we are at the Hyatt House at Anaheim Resort Convention Center. I just wanted to give you a little room tour. We're staying in the Den Guestroom, which is like a standard room with king bed and pull-out sofa, which is bookable with Hyatt nights. I'm going to give you my link down below to the Hyatt credit card if you'd like to stay for free, like I love to do whenever I'm traveling. And I'm going to show you around the room in case you have any questions. Here's the room we're staying in, room 325. Lock on the door. One thing we have not figured out yet is on the elevators while you're staying here, you do need to use your key card to get up and down. So don't expect just anybody to be able to get up and down. They do give you a key for everybody in your room. As I said, we have a king bed here. Everything's nice, new, modern. And this is a whole seating area, and this is actually a pull-out sofa, so you could fit 4. I don't know if they allow 4 while you're making the reservation, but you could technically fit 4 people in here. Desk area in case you need to do some work. Flat screen TV. These 2 drawers are just plain storage, nothing inside. And then over here, I guess is considered your little kitchenette area with a microwave, coffee machine. They even give you a wine bottle opener in case you need that, ice bucket, and underneath, mini fridge. And then over here you have coffees, teas, cups. And this bedroom actually does have a connecting door. So I guess if you're a family, you could request it. I don't think it's guaranteed though, so that you could have 2 separate rooms connecting with a door between. Just to give you a little look inside the closet. Extra blanket, iron, hangers, luggage rack, ironing board, and of course a safe. And then through this door over here, you have your bathroom, 1 sink, and in here comes hand soap, massage soap, they call it, lotion. What is this? Makeup remover wipe. Love to see that. Hair dryer, toilet paper, tissues, extras, and a stand-up shower with extra towels. In case you are wondering what comes in here, you have nice big bottles, shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little room tour and that was helpful if you're coming to stay in Anaheim, California. Maybe you're doing a Disneyland trip for a few days. Maybe you're staying at the convention. So far we really like it. The lobby's beautiful, the area's really nice. If you guys don't mind subscribing to our channel, if you want to see more travel content, and hitting that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.